Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, CNC milling machines, lasers, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a really nice machine. We just went through this machine. We painted ourselves over here. All been cleaned, painted, cycled, comes with a warranty. This company's very close to us, is Southwestern Industrial. Very good machines. They're pretty much known as the best CNCs around these days. Super easy controls and awesome tech support. Every time I call them, they blow me away with how much they actually know. Very, very simple to easy stuff to get the information and get working again. This is a Trak FHM7. You can see it's a monster. It's not a fully enclosed machine, so before you went to a fully enclosed Haas or Fidal style, depending on what kind of work you're going to be doing, this might be great for you. Has the splash guard, so all the water still, the coolant's still going to go to the bottom, of course. Big table, lots of travel. Really nice controller with all the different graphs and all the information you might need here, where you can save everything, come back to it. It's really easy to pull up a program, do a bolt hole pattern or simple just milling or drilling. It's all set up in there to kind of teach you how to do it. And as I say, the tech support on the phone is awesome. So we'll run this machine. It has a CNC program in it right now. We'll turn our spindle on. Now it's looking for a tool. We don't have any tools in there right now, of course, but there are tools that are programmed into this, and we'll have it run a program for you. You see the X, Y, and Z, of course, all powered. Your head's going to go up and down. That's going to be your Z axis. Nice big table. All the ways here. Now once it runs through its entire program, you can see the XYZ readout really nice and easy on here. You can see the path of what it's taking. Now this is exactly showing you where your spindle's going to be, the path that it's taking to finish. Now we can see our run is over, and it did our simple milling program that was set up in there. Again, a great machine, really easy to use, easy to program, and great tech support. There's not much more you can ask for. We have other ones here you can see, depending on the size you're looking for. If you don't need something this large, you can see another bed type mill, meaning there's no knee, it's just a bottom heavy type bed. And that's going to be for your heavier type machines, drilling and milling that you're going to be doing. If you want to put a real heavy piece on there, these are great for it. You can see there's a few others, as well as lots and lots of manual mills and CNC mills. So please give us a call at 626-444-0311. Let us know what machine you're looking for, what type of tolerances you need, and we can help you out with either a new or used machine, as well as trade in and trade up if you need to. Go to our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.